Jai Jagannath Bhai Bandhu Mane. Hey everyone, join me on an unforgettable journey to the Netravati trek. It all started on a Friday night after work. I hopped on to a bus full of strangers and let me tell you, sleep was a distinct dream with all the noise and excitement around. We finally reached our stay early in the morning after a quick 1 hour nap. It was time to gear up for the adventure ahead. At 8 a.m. around that time we began our trek. The fresh morning air and the promise of breathtaking views kept us going. The trek was filled with stunning vistas that made every step worth it. Along the way I met an amazing friend and together we made new connections with fellow trekkers. Reaching the top was a triumph. We enjoyed a well-deserved lunch while soaking in the panoramic views. It was a moment of pure bliss. The journey back was longer and more challenging than the climb up, but the camaraderie and the shared experience made it enjoyable. The most important part that I felt was the learning experience that I have got. It's about the moments that we live. And the point at which I realized that each and every moment matters. Every second counts. As the night fell, we gathered around and played an intense game of Mafia. It was the perfect end to an incredible and tiring day. The adventure didn't stop there. On Sunday, the next day, we headed to the beautiful Kodige'r Falls. The sound of the cascading water was music to our ears. We spent the day splashing around and having a blast. One of the highlights was building stone towers by the water. It was a fun and relaxing activity that brought out our creative sides.
जदि आपण मैंने बेंगलोर अछंती तो मु आपन को डेफिनेटली रेकमेंड करी नेत्रावती ट्रैक को विजिट करवा लगी एंजॉय करवा लगी आमे जाइथिलु मडी ट्रेल थ्रू रु आपण मैंने बहुत सारा कंपनीज अछंती जो मैंने ए सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करंती वीकेंड ट्रिप्स जेंती कि मॉन्क्स ऑन व्हील हला यू नो आई एफ थ्रिलोफिलिया